Homemade Classic Crunchy Chinchin. Here's a step-by-step guide to producing homemade Classic Crunchy Chinchin, a beloved West African snack. Memo ingredients: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg optional but recommended, 1/2 cup margarine or butter softened, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup evaporated milk or regular milk, vegetable oil for deep frying. Woman cook medium dark skin tone instructions. Step 1. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. Mix thoroughly. Step 2. Add margarine. Add the softened margarine or butter. Use your fingers to rub it into the dry ingredients until the mixture is crumbly, like breadcrumbs. Step 3. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 2 eggs and 1/2 cup milk. Step 4. Combine wet and dry. Gradually pour the egg-milk mixture into the dry mix. Stir and knead into a soft, non-sticky dough. If too sticky, add a little flour. If too dry, a splash of milk. Step 5. Roll and cut. Place dough on a floured surface. Roll out to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut into small squares or strips using a knife or dough cutter. Step 6. Fry. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Test with 1 piece. It should sizzle and rise slowly. Fry in batches until golden brown and crispy. Stir occasionally to ensure even frying. Step 7. Drain and cool. Remove chinchin with a slotted spoon. Place on a tray lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Let cool completely for maximum crunch. Checkmark tips. Don't overcrowd the oil. It lowers the temperature and can make chinchin soggy. Store cooled chinchin in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. For more tips, click on the subscribe and turns on the notification bell. Whenever I post new video, you will be first to get it.